like I'm dealing with the clients also, I'm dealing with my friends also. I was really nervous. I connect with South Indians like really well.
What's the most common reaction you get when you tell people you work in an AI recruitment company?
Yeah, actually, I have friends who are into sales, but what they deal in is very product based and very common. And I'm the only one who is working in a like AI SaaS product. And everyone asks me like, what is it? What is it? So like I'm dealing with the clients also. I'm dealing with my friends also. I'm telling them also like this is my company. We deal like we provide solution to the recruitment agencies and they can have their interviews and pre-screening like that, and their reaction is always like, okay, this happens, this really happens. Like I tell them that you can give me your number and I will land an AI call to you. So yeah, they their reaction is the first reaction is always, yeah, very shocking, like does AI really do that? Actually, I think I applied through LinkedIn, and then our HR Ranjali contacted me, and I had an interview with Amber sir, and he always tells that I had a very short interview. This was like a 15 minutes interview, and he really liked the interview. Then I had an interaction with Akansha ma'am that also went really nice, and after that I had my exams coming up, so I needed some time for that. And just as my exams ended, I joined Zivica and relocated to Gurgaon. When I joined Zivica, I was told to like have a conversation with the AI, and my reaction was also like that. Okay, like this is very humanized. The voice is very human, and if I'm giving any objections, that is also handled very well. I also like had an interaction with the agent, and when I switched languages, that was also handled really well. Like apart from Hindi, English, like that is really nice. Okay, the first day at Zivica I was really nervous because this was my very first job, and it was raining also. So I was like, it's raining and this is my first day, I don't want to miss it. But everyone here was very welcoming, and our reporting manager, I had an interaction with him, and I had a talk with Amber sir also, Akansha ma'am. They were all very welcoming, and we had a training session. I felt like everything was very welcoming, so I didn't feel like the nervousness part was very much dissolved earlier. The client is Sajivan. He is like a South Indian guy. So I feel like I connect with South Indians like really well because most of the people I'm connecting with are South Indians. So I am comfortable with their accent and all. And I talked with him, and he told me like. I like that when the client is very responsive and they tell me about their background. So he also told me like we used to live in Mumbai and like that. He asked me like, Anushka, where are you from? I like that conversation. And then after the demo call that our manager takes, and when he was closed, then also I texted him that, sir, congratulations for getting onboarded. And till now also, if he has any questions, like with the team it discusses, but he also sometimes calls me like, Anushka, can you look into this? So that is really nice. At the starting, he was very skeptical, like AI is very robotic, the voice will be very. Then I told him, so you can like have a conversation, like just give it a try. You can have a conversation with the AI. And when he had a demo call, he was impressed. And after that, he changed his mind, and he was really responsive. And he liked the idea that his workload will be getting reduced. And it's not like that we are replacing humans. We are just like treating Astra as an like additional team member. Okay, so we usually tell them that this will not replace humans because you are like humans. That interface will not be like completely removed. First of all, we give for the pre-screening part, right? And after that, we give for the lead qualification. So we tell them that the burden of the recruiter will be reduced. The part that they do, that the training part is done, and the afterwards, like they are planning the interviews, that will not be reduced. It's just like an additional team member that will help your recruiters.
It will help to reduce cost as well as time.
Yeah, so like cost and time, like very repetitive work that is done by the recruiters. They are just sitting and calling. So it is better that if the AI is doing that work and the recruiters can focus on like the most essential part, like the training and having, like if you're calling 100 candidates and they're not interested, 50 of them are not interested, then your time is just being wasted. But what if you're getting like 50 interested candidates and you're talking to them? So that is better. Okay, I think I would be something into marketing or like that, because I also had an interaction with the Amber sir and I told him like I am into sales but I am also like interested in marketing. So if not sales, then definitely marketing.
Okay, so what's the one skill you have developed at Zipka that you didn't have before?
Okay, I think I would say patience. Like, yeah, that is like you have to understand, you have to listen to the clients patiently. Okay, so I'm understanding your point, and you have to be very patient. And I was not a patient girl. I was always like, do it fast, like do it. But now, like slowly and gradually, I'm also getting very, like what do you say, structured, planning the whole day, like what to do, and getting good at time management.